Adapt or die. Pragmatic leaders do what it takes. Next up, session 7, organizational performance engineering, the ears process. Organizational performance engineering, the application of behavior analysis, a pragmatic behavior change process that changes how providers work together to ensure that every learner makes efficient progress towards true mastery of the knowledge and skills needed for a successful life. If you pit a good performer against a bad system, the system will win almost every time. To be successful in helping their students reach mastery, teachers must provide resources to students, receive them from other providers, such as program designers, staff trainers, and supervisors. A school is an organization, a group of providers working together to ensure that each student makes efficient progress. A provider-recipient network. Each provider's function is to provide resources, training, or management to other providers so that each student will make efficient progress towards true mastery of the knowledge and skills needed for a successful life. Here's an illustration of provider-recipient network. Notice that the teacher is receiving resources from supervisors, staff trainers, program designers, tutors, teaching assistants, and yes, students. And in return, the teacher is providing resources to each of these different functions or positions in the provider-recipient network. Here's another way of looking at the provider-recipient relationships between teacher, student, and supervisor. The teacher provides and receives resources. The student and supervisor. What are resources? Something that you can use to help you achieve something, especially in your work or study. For example, we have teaching procedures, we have measurement procedures, we have tools that can facilitate teaching, learning, measurement, evaluation. We have resources for training staff and for supervising staff. Most schools are like sensory impaired animals. When students are not making progress, schools can't adapt because they have no ears. Here's the ears organizational performance engineering process. We start here with evaluate, and then move to analyze, recommend, and finally solve. Adapt or die. Pragmatic leaders do what it takes. Next up, session 8. Evaluate the efficiency of learner progress. Step 1 in the ears process of organizational performance engineering.